Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your education, position, career break or skills to your profile on the LinkedIn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the home button and click on this button in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on view profile, then tap on this pencil button in the right side of the screen. Scroll down till you find this either the current position to add your position. So you should select your title, then your employment type should be added. The location, start date, and also the industry, and the description can be added. As you scroll down, you can also add your skills, so put the check mark icon into the relevant box, then tap on the save button, and you can also add your education to the education section, indicating your school, your degree, field of study which is required, to the start and end date, then your grade, then your activities and societies, description can be added, and also your social networking sites. Tap on the save button down below in order to save all this information. And basically that's all for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.